Caregivers, how you doing? Please feel free to ask any question. If you have a topic with your senior citizen or service user, and then you want to know more, you are free to ask any question. So your questions will be answered. Once it comes to senior citizens' health, case management, then you are free to ask any questions, and then your questions will be answered. So today I'll be talking about incontinences. Now, we know that mostly incontinences affect every senior citizens, and this has a lot of effect in their physical, psychological, social, and even their financial life. Now, incontinences is caused by a loss of bowel. Now, and when this happens, senior citizens, in fact, sometimes they don't want to talk about it because they are even ashamed to say it out that, I can't hold on to urinate. They are ashamed to even say, how will I tell my children? How will I tell people around me that I'm messing up the bed? So for this reason, a lot of them decided they always want to withdraw socially. They don't want to engage with activities. They don't, in fact, in the church, in the mosque, most of them are fearful of going for activities because they are afraid that they don't want to mess it up. But we have a lot of incontinences products that can help your senior citizens, that can even be a helping hand to you as a carer, whether a professional carer or family caregiver. So there are so many products that can help you, that can relieve the stress from your own hand. Now, first, let's talk about the effect of incontinences. The physical effect is that it causes skin infection. Apart from skin infection, it also leads to disruption of sleep. Your senior citizen won't be able to have proper sleep as a result of this incontinences, because when they are wet and the bed is wet, how do they want to sleep? Then, in fact, sometimes the fear of let me be awake so that I won't mess up my body won't even allow them to sleep. So for this reason, they won't sleep. They want to stay awake. So that when it's coming, they can always run to the bathroom or take their potty to urinate. But sometimes, incontinence is, sometimes they don't even know it is coming. They don't know that it's coming. So for this reason, you see a lot of children, they say, I gave my grandma potty. Potty is with grandma, but grandma is not making use of potty. It's not that grandma is not making use of potty. The problem is grandma does not know when the urine is coming. Grandma does not know when she wants to soak the bed. So for this reason, she doesn't know she's soaking the bed. So that is not her fault. It is normal. It is not her fault. And then it's not something she has control over. If she has control over it, she will have taken care of it without you knowing. But she doesn't have control over it. But yet, you can always help her. Then the psychological effect of this is that it gives them depression and anxiety. You imagine someone who feel like, wow, I didn't urinate when I was young. Now that I'm not getting it, I'm now soaking the bed. It even brings shame to them themselves. It brings shame. So for this reason, when they are in this process, make sure that you don't use words that condemn them. Then make sure that you care enough to allow them to understand that it is normal. It is not their fault. They are not stressing you, and this is one of the process of aging. It has to undergo the process of aging. So once it is occur, it's not their fault. Then you can also assist them by introducing them to different kind of diapers that can help them. For example, like this diaper, this is one. It comes in different size, different color. It comes for different age, and then for different size of senior citizen. So the small one, this larger one, and then the medium one. So you can encourage them to always use diaper. So in fact, though sometimes it's not financially it's drained, but do you know that apart from the financial aspect, it has a lot of benefit. It has a lot of benefit because it gives your senior independence. They'll feel comfortable, they'll feel free, they'll be able to mingle, they'll be able to go out, they'll be able to do all their lovable activities. And then this will not even allow environmental challenges to affect them, so they won't grow faster than they should have gone. So this will help them a lot. So make sure that you encourage them to use incontinences products. And then another thing, part of incontinences products is that this is another one, which is the wipes. I always say wipes is not only meant for children, it's meant for both children and adults, most especially the vulnerable ones. We use these wipes to help them, because one thing about it is that it is very soft, gentle to use, soft on skin, and then it prevents a lot of infection. So a lot of senior citizens who are vulnerable will even prefer that you use wipes to clean them when they mess up or when you want to change their diaper, instead of you using towel and water to mop. No, you don't need to go through those stress. This will help you. This helps in a long way, and then it has a good odor, very good, and a good scent that will not even allow your seniors to feel uncomfortable. They won't even hear the odor that you are cleaning them. So it's even save time of taking senior citizens to the toilet. Then for senior citizens who are weak, it reduces pain. Why will I don't need to carry them to the toilet. I don't need to stress them going to the toilet or to the bathroom to clean them, or allowing one clothes to scratch them, allowing to, when I can actually use this. So when you talk about incontinence products, this is part of incontinence products. So in my next video, I'll be talking more about incontinence products and how to use them. Thank you. So like I said, if you have any questions that has to do with senior citizen, in taking care of senior citizen, feel free to ask questions. We are one.